GS Diving. I'm Stacy. It's July 5th, 2023. This year after video, I got some bad news. I know we just changed your fore prop. Your starboard prop now is extremely severely bent up. We're going to go take a look at that first, and then we'll check out the rest of the boat, okay? Let's have a look at it. Okay, so the first prop in the video is the one I just noticed underwater, and then I went to the other prop to show in the video, and then figured I'd just rotate it real slowly. And there's a bend in that one as well, just not as severe as the other one. So it's just the two front props on both sides. The rear props don't seem to have any damage at all. It's just the front ones. Once again, thank you for choosing GS Diving. Always a pleasure.